look at this. So torquey, the 900 Newton meters, insane vehicle. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and in front of me is a really special car. This is a 1 out of 199 Aston Martin DBS Volante, the roadster version of the DBS Ultimate. It's got 770 horsepower, it's limited as I've mentioned, and it's got a starting price of over 380,000 euros. And in today's video, I'll show you the exterior, show you the interior, and then take it out for a drive. So let's go. So people, look at this. The DBS Ultimate is the ultimate version basically of the Aston Martin DBS. They took everything they've learned of the DBS Superleggera in the last couple of years and they put it into this Ultimate. Under the bonnet is the same beautiful V12 Biturbo, and let's have a look at it. So people, check this out. I've popped the trunk and now look at this here. Oh my god, doesn't that look amazing? Look at this, the fully carbon fiber hood. This is exclusive for the Ultimate, the normal one doesn't have it. As you can see, just listen to it. It is so light as well to open and to close. Also here at the lights, fully carbon fiber. And this is it, the 5.2 liter V12 Biturbo, handcrafted in Britain. It reminds me kind of the AMG plaque where they put the one-man, one engine. Look at this thing, how massive it is. And it is a front mid-engine setup. As you can see, the engine sits behind the wheels, which is better for weight distribution. Look at that beautiful suspension here. We've got a brand new car. And it looks brand new. It looks so cool. It looks so cool. And let's close the bonnet here. That astonishing engine you've just seen puts out 770 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. That's nearly 50 horsepower more than the normal DBS Superleggera. And since the weather is so good now and it's not raining anymore, I put down the roof because I've got a Volante here. And look at this with the roof opened with my beautiful grey, as Martin calls it grey, the grey interior here. Look at it, it looks so good. But before we move on to the interior, I have to show you this carbon fiber hood because there's exposed carbon fiber here in the intake, which looks really crazy. We've got like the U shape here, that looks very crazy. It's also for cooling of the V12, and we've got a full carbon fiber lip here at the front, in front of that massive Aston Martin grille. This car looks like a monster straight out of a James Bond movie. And look at the side profile here before we move to the back and then the inside. The side profile is also very James Bond like, especially that side skirt down here, the carbon fiber one. Look at it here. And check out these wheels we have. I think they look super beautiful, really similar to the Valkyrie wheels or the one of the Valur. They are very beautiful. Black carbon ceramic brake, DBS badge, some more carbon here, carbon fiber mirrors of course. Very brutal looks. Look at this thing here. At the back, 3 or 5 section tires, 21-inch wheels, and also a very big carbon ceramic brake. It looks very special. And let's now move to the back. By the way, this here is completely in carbon fiber. The whole windshield cover here is completely in carbon fiber. Check out the rear of the Aston Martin Ultimate, the DBS Ultimate. Quad tailpipes, real quad tailpipes of course. The beautiful modern light, I absolutely love it. Aston Martin written here, not the badge. That's also very aesthetic in my opinion. It looks really cool and really classy. Carbon fiber spoiler lip. One of the smallest trunks in the world of course because of that cabriolet. I'm not even gonna bother to show it to you, but it's full with Alcantara. It looks very cool. And the carbon fiber diffuser here, it looks massive. Quad tailpipes, 770 horsepower. I can't wait to drive this thing with you. And let's move on to the inside. I'll give you a little hint. Look at this here, the carbon fiber bucket seats. And then we can take it out for a drive. Check out how the door opens. You press this here and then it pops out and then you open it and it goes actually up. The door kind of goes up, which looks very cool on this car. It looks really beautiful. And even more beautiful is the interior. Look at this. Leather here, even more leather, the white or gray one. Black stitchings, grey stitchings, matte carbon fiber, the whole door panel as you can see. Even down here is leather, very extremely high quality in here. Honestly, Rolls-Royce or Bentley levels of interior. This is crazy. DBS 770 Ultimate badge with the 1 out of 199 badge, also crazy. On the seat, Alcantara and carbon fiber, also the matte carbon fiber. Here at the back, look at it. crazy, honestly, very crazy quality in here. It's a 10 out of 10. The grey leather polsters, which are so soft and look so amazing how they are like tucked on that carbon fiber shell. The Aston Martin badge here in black, looking superb. DBS 770 Ultimate badge here on the center console. And look at this, it's got such a cool function. You open it actually up electronically. Look at this, that's so amazing, isn't it? That's so cool and just Aston Martin, James Bond like. Those are the seats, and let's now jump inside. So this is your steering wheel. It's full in leather and it's in a weird shape. It's weird when you are steering for the first times. Carbon fiber shift pedals, so soft feeling. Also in matte carbon fiber. This is our horn. It looks so good in here, I can't believe it. Those are some Mercedes parts here, the indicator, but it sounds so good. Then you will say yourself, this has nothing to do with Mercedes. Look at this. That's so cool, isn't it? So cool. The Mercedes-Benz infotainment screen here, but fully covered in leather. Also, this little part down here is fully covered in leather. It's not like in a Mercedes, they can't even get close. Even here, it's full in leather. Everything in here, what you are seeing, is superb high quality. It's insane, it's on another level. It's not comparable to its competitors, honestly. One of the best quality interiors in the world. This is our gauge cluster, it's electric, and I think that's enough talking, and we should take it out for a drive now. So people, let's take out this 770 horsepower Aston Martin DBS Volante for a drive. The ultimate. I can't wait. Is it really the ultimate driving machine? Let's find out. I'll instantly put it into the sport mode so we can enjoy the V12 a little bit more. So people, listen to this. It sounds so crazy. The pops and bangs are insane. The first thing I've noticed about this car when jumping in is how ultimately good the suspension is. It is actually crazy good, the suspension, especially for an Aston Martin. I wouldn't have expected that for an ultimate variant of the vehicle. It is so good, the suspension. Look at this. So torquey, the 900 Newton meters, insane vehicle. But the suspension is so soft, so good to drive it daily. And what you also feel is the materials in here are out of this world. Also the steering wheel, you have to get used to the shape of it. It is very unusual, as I've told you. But I love that I have the Volante here with the roof opened, and the sound of this V12 Biturbo is so amazing. It sounds roary like a 6-cylinder. It doesn't really sound like a V12 of Ferrari or something like this, like an A12. It sounds very roary, like a 6-cylinder engine. Look at this. It's so powerful, this vehicle. Oh my god. Full throttle now. Oh! Whoa, 770 horsepower going to the rear wheels. It is very fast. Oh my god. You have to be careful driving this thing. Oh my god, it is very fast. Let's give it full throttle here again. Kick down. Oh! Oh my god! It just pulls and pulls. It just keeps pulling. So people, enjoy the sound one last time, because I will close the roof now. So people, I've now closed the roof because it looks like it's going to rain a little bit. I don't know, that's why I've closed it for now. And also so we see how it is with the roof closed. Look at this, a leather, wow, that's amazing. A leather roof liner moving to an Alcantara one. This car, quality-wise, like I've said, is unmatched, honestly. And let's give it full throttle here again. Oh! The V12 sounds so good. Oh my god. This thing is serious, people. V12 Biturbo, 770 horsepower. The craziest part about it is the improved suspension, which is so nice. Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Full throttle. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, this thing is fun. Wow. Ho, ho. Listen to the bobs and bags now. It's got a little bit. Oh my god, that was a loud one. Full throttle again. Wow, people, 770 horsepower, 900 Newton meters, V12 Biturbo. You can feel it, and it's still a gentleman at the same time. It's not like it's super raw, super insanely aggressive and you can't drive it or stuff like this. It's still a gentleman, and that's crazy if you ask me in a car like this. Possibly the best turning sound. Listen to this. Let's give it full throttle here again. Oh my goodness, people. It sounds so good. And you don't have to drive it sporty all the time like me. Look at this, the GT mode, which changes our gauge cluster as well. And if we put it into the automatic, it will be such a comfortable and silent cruiser, despite it being a cabriolet, despite everything being ultimate. It's still super comfortable and easy to ride around with it. That actually surprised me the most, because when I heard Aston Martin DBS Ultimate, you know it, you expect a stiffer, more track focused variant, etc. But they actually created the ultimate variant of the Aston Martin DBS, which is the Ultimate GT, if you ask me, it's in the same league like the Ferrari 812, but it could be a better daily driver than it. Right now I'm getting 911 turbo vibes, how comfortable this is. This is very nice. The only thing is the seat. Getting in and out of it is a little bit hard, but once you are inside, it's so good. Honestly, nothing to complain about it. Once you are inside of the seats, you are in heaven. They are so nice, they look so good. The quality in here is unmatched. Porsche can't match it, other manufacturers can't match it. Maybe a tailor-made Ferrari or an exclusive interior Ferrari or stuff like this will match this. A Bentley will match this, but other Grand Tourers or stuff like this will not match this. But the people, as I know the people, they will just complain about the old infotainment system, because this is based on an old car. This is based on a 2017 model, I think 2016, 2017. That's why we still have the old infotainment system, but the new DBS will also get a V12, a new V12 and a new infotainment system. So stay tuned for that one. Until now, we've got the ultimate variant of this DBS, which is so good if you ask me. Oh! It's insane. Wow. So people, all in all, the DBS Ultimate surprised me in a very positive manner. It's better than I expected it to be, and I expected it to be very good, but it's not the V12 hypercar V12 level you expect from an Aventador SVJ or a Ferrari 812. It's still got that GT luxury aspect to it, despite it being insanely loud, especially when you rev it. But all in all, I absolutely love the Aston Martin DBS Ultimate when driving it sporty or driving it normal in the GT mode. A beautiful car and a very good farewell to the DBS series. So people, I hope you enjoyed the review of the Aston Martin DBS Ultimate. Make sure to smash that like button and check out the Autobahn video, because that Autobahn video will be crazy. Until then, goodbye.